The RQ-4 Global Hawk is a high-altitude, long-endurance unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, developed by Northrop Grumman for the United States Air Force, USAF, and subsequently used by other nations, including NATO members. It's designed to provide intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, ISR, capabilities over vast areas for extended periods. The Global Hawk has a wingspan of over 130 feet and can fly at altitudes of up to 60,000 feet for more than 30 hours, depending on the variant. The Global Hawk is designed to operate at high altitudes, up to 60,000 feet, for extended periods, typically exceeding 30 hours of continuous flight. With a wingspan of over 130 feet, the Global Hawk has a large surface area that provides stability and lift necessary for long-endurance missions. It is equipped with a variety of sensors, including synthetic aperture radar, SAR, electro-optical/infrared, EO/IR, cameras, and signals intelligence, SIGINT, equipment. These sensors allow it to gather intelligence, conduct surveillance, and monitor activities over vast areas. RQ-4, a Global Hawk unmanned aircraft system, UAS, is powered by a single Rolls-Royce AE 3007H turbofan engine, which allows the aircraft to fly at over 65,000 feet. The Global Hawk is capable of autonomous flight, with the ability to take off, fly pre-programmed routes, and land without direct human intervention for long durations. It features a robust communication suite that enables real-time data transmission to ground stations or command centers, allowing operators to receive and analyze information in near real time. The Global Hawk platform is adaptable, with different variants tailored to specific mission requirements, such as the RQ-4A, RQ-4B, and MQ-4C Triton variants, each optimized for different mission profiles.